Sir, how y'all doing?
Good.
Good enough. Welcome to the Rainforest at the Florida Museum of Natural History and the Florida Center for the Study of Lepidoptera and Biodiversity. The Florida Center is the world's largest center for the study of Lepidoptera. The question is, what's Lepidoptera? What are we studying here? Anybody know?
And moss.
And butterflies is part of it. And moss, yes. Lepidoptera is a Greek word that translates to scaled wing. It's exactly what butterflies and moths are. They're scaled winged insects. And they're the second largest group of mammals in the world behind the beetles. There are about 170,000 species of them out there. Very diverse. And it's important to include those moths because there are 7 times more moths out there than there are butterflies. For example, here in Florida, we have 190 species of butterflies. We have 2,700 species of moths. So that many we get butterflies from around the world to show you just how diverse and how colorful they can be. But because they're not native here, that means we cannot raise them here. So they're shipped to us in butterfly farms in their home countries. They come to us in the pupa stage in places like the Philippines, Costa Rica, Kenya, and some native ones here too. So these are all brand new butterflies and they're chromophore and they're eatable. So do y'all take the fly on one big majestic display? There, how much skeptics today? I'm going to find out for sure. These butterflies are about to release through about 2 to 3 weeks. That's twice as long as they would live out in the wild. And I'm just going to seal this one because I know he's going to fly away. Safe one for that. That's not exactly allowed them flying right away. That's the idea. They're brand new, so sometimes it takes a little bit while for the wings to dry properly. I saved this one because it's one of our newest species and quite spectacular. It's one of our biggest ones. It's called the green birdwing. It's named in Papua New Guinea in northeast Australia.
Wow. That is
awesome. What do you mean? This is abdomen. Insects have 3 parts, the head, the thorax, and the abdomen.
Wow.
Crawling, ingesting whatever goes on. And breathing. In fact, all these black spots that run down the yellow body is where a butterfly breathes. You don't breathe through the face like we do. They breathe through what's called spiracles, these black spots. The reason why I wanted to hold him out first is because he's got this bright green on the inside of his wings. This is why he's called the green birdwing. Quite the attractive one. But this is only the male. The female will be much bigger, about 10 inches long, but she won't have any green on the inside of her wings. That's what you call dimorphism. The male, or 2 forms, in this case the male will be smaller but brighter, and the female will be larger but darker. The trade-off is that the male gets to attract the female with all those bright colors.
Here she is.
But the male also usually attract the female, so the eat one before the female will. Let's do a trade-off there. Okay, where's the one? Let's see. We did one that was inside. Now let's do this one. Everybody knows which one this is, right?
Yep. Zebra?
I heard one person say zebra longhorn, and that is right. Now, why is that important? What was that? LG is a green dot right here. This is a zebra longwing, and it is our state butterfly, the official state butterfly of Florida. So shame on all of you who didn't know that. There will be a quiz at the end. Black green stripes. He's a long-winged butterfly. And also I said before, butterflies live about 2 to 3 weeks, but long-winged butterflies can live up to 6 months. And I do that by eating pollen along with nectar, which gives them protein, more outside than the rest of the butterflies. You're just getting sugars from flowers and from fruit. So just like the best pollen with sugar, you wouldn't last very long. Same thing with butterflies. More balanced diet will give you a longer life. You saw the green birdwing. This is the golden birdwing. This was named for the Philippines. He's a bit smaller and not as colorful as the other ones, but that's okay. We'll hold against them. You see he's got this bright yellow on the black field. That's because he's trying to warn you that he's poisonous. If you're a bird and decide you want to eat this guy, you make him throw up. So don't go around walk around the mouth open anytime soon. You'll get bites and deal. If the butterfly does happen to land down here in this farm lady over here, we do ask the please don't try to pick them up or try to take them off. Please enjoy it. They are harmless. And this butterfly is one of my favorites. It's native to Eastern Africa. And it doesn't look like much when its wings are closed. And when it's open and fluttering around, broken up piece of her wing. That's okay. It's called a gold-banded forester. And when the light is right. It looks orange and blue. Certainly the combination you want to have here if you're at. Now we have some butterflies that are poisonous, but others are not. So this one is called a Straxes. Straxes butterflies are from Africa. There's a whole bunch of them. It's not the most colorful in the world, but it doesn't have any warning colors either. So this one's defense against predators is that we will outrun them. This one's very thick abdomen.